ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേ നമ്മൾ ഈ കേസർ എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്ന സാധനം ഏതാണെന്നറിയോ? അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ കുങ്കുമപ്പൂ, സാഫ്രൺ എന്നാണ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വിളിക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെപ്പറ്റി അതെങ്ങനെ തിരിച്ചറിയാം, അതിൻ്റെ മായം എങ്ങനെ തിരിച്ചറിയാം, ഒറിജിനൽ എങ്ങനെ തിരിച്ചറിയാം, അതിനെപ്പറ്റി കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ വിശദമായിട്ട് പ്രതിപാദിക്കാം. സ്കിപ്പ് ചെയ്യാതെ അവസാനം വരെ കാണുക, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ ആരെങ്കിലും വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ,
पहले सैफरान दिखाऊं सर? यहाँ का सबसे फेमस जो है सैफरान है, ठीक है सर। ये सैफरान की पैकिंग है 1 ग्राम 250, 2 ग्राम 500, 5 ग्राम 1250 और ये 10 ग्राम का पैकेट है सर 2500 रुपीज़। सबसे पहले सैफरान की ओरिजिनलिटी की पहचान आप लोग चेक कैसे कर पाओगे ये चीज़ ओरिजिनल है कि डुप्लीकेट है, सर मैं आपको बताऊँ। First of all, I would like to share you some basic properties of saffron that will help us to recognize whether the saffron is real or fake. How to check? First of all, its quality can be checked by its aroma. Sir, please put your mask down. Smell this, sir. It should always have natural aroma. Okay. If it's having aroma like cough syrup, it is not real.
Oh, it's not real.
If it is having like cough syrup smell, it is not real. It is fake. It should always have aroma, natural aroma. Okay. Number next. Kesar thread is not alike from end to end, as you can see here. Its head is always broad, tail is thin. Because actually, saffron is female part of flower. It is stigma. Okay, that's why its head is broad, tail is thin. Number next, our Kashmiri Kesar will be always dark red. Of water, let us start rubbing. On rubbing, our palm will become yellow. But you have to notice two things. First one is, the saffron is having red color. It should retain red color. It will give yellow color, but itself it has to retain red color. If it fades to its own color, it is fake. On rubbing, if it gets dissolved, disappeared, it is fake. It should never dissolve. Okay, sir? These are some basic properties that help us to recognize whether the thing is real or fake. Okay. In saffron, we are giving you 15 years shelf life. You can store saffron for minimum 15 years. But the thing is, you have to keep saffron away from moisture. Simply in a dry place. Okay, sir? Okay. It's called as red gold because you may know it is having a lot of health benefits. Yes. Saffron is anti-cold, anti-fever, anti-chest congestion, nose congestion. If anyone, especially our mother or sister, consumes saffron during pregnancy, the child born will be healthy. During delivery, labor pain will be less because it boosts immunity. It is anti-oncogenes, anti-insomnia, anti-asthma, good for lungs, good for menstrual cramps. Give the softness. Saffron should be soft and silky. It should be soft and silky.
Okay.
You sir?
It's soft. Yeah.
1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram.
Oh. Okay. Dry fruits. Dry fruits.
Sir, walnut.
Walnut.
Yeah. The special variety of almond is called as mamra. This is mamra badam.
Okay.
Special variety among almond, mamra. This is cranberry. This is blueberry. This is blackberry. Cherry. And these two are from Afghanistan. These two are not cultivated here. In whole India, pistha is not cultivated anywhere. In your place, you are getting pistachios from California or Iran. But here, you are getting from Afghanistan.
Cranberry. Blueberry.
First, I would like to show you walnut. It's shaped like a brain. So it's good for brain. The specialty of Kashmiri walnut is here. I will show you. Look, I will take only small pinch from walnut. Only this much quantity. I will try to press it. See how much oil it will release.
Okay.
This oil is omega-3, omega-5 fatty acid. This oil is good for heart. It reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, increases good cholesterol. Please, ma'am, taste this. Feel the difference. It will be totally different in taste as compared to the walnut you are getting there. Okay. You are getting there walnuts from Chile. Those are bitter in taste. This is different. Number next is cranberry. Cranberry is very good for UTI, urinary tract infections. This is cranberry, sir. It is good for UTI, urinary tract infections. Good for teeth, gums and stomach also. Arakil Warnur. This is blackberry. Also Arakil Warnur. Yeah? Okay. Blackberry is iron-rich food, so it is good for blood. Okay. Blood purifier, blood enhancer, and blood thinner also.
Okay.
This is blueberry, but this is with seed. It is having seed inside, so you have to remove seed. Please have it. It is called as queen of all berries, the yummiest berry among all berries, and it is having more nutrition value as compared to other berries. That's why it's called as queen of all berries. Please try this. It is having seed inside, Remove seed here. This is cherry, dried cherry. From this badam, I will take slight pinch, like as I took from walnut. Okay, only this much quantity. I will try to press it here. Actually, sir, mamra means more oil. Okay? I will try to press it. See oil. That's why our badam is very soft in nature. You can consume our badam directly. Don't need to soak. And this oil is good for memory. And eyesight. Kishmish, it is 600 rupees 1 kg. This is 1600 1 kg. This blackberry, cranberry and cherry. These three are 1200 rupees kg.
Okay.
Blueberry is 16, huh? Walnut and mamra badam is 1400 rupees kg.
Okay.
Ready mix, innocent mix, huh? Actually, kahwa is a Kashmiri word. That means mixture of 11 spices.
I see.
We locally call 11 as kah. So kahwa means 11 spices. It contains green tea, kesar, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, kahwa, zanjabil, adrak, saffron, rose petals and black pepper.
Okay.
11 spices. How to prepare this at home? It is very easy, very simple. Just bring 1 cup of tap water. Add 1 spoon from this. Then boil for 4-5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your kahwa is ready. It contains normal sweetness, normal sugar. If you want, you can add as per your choice.
Okay.
You can add sugar, honey or jaggery. And you can add dry fruits also. Like we added almonds.
Okay.
Yes, sir? You can add walnuts, you can add pistachios, you can add cashews, whatever you want. You can add.
Okay.
It is anti-cold.